Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Tesla plans for a new vehicle factory in Austin. Government seeks to ban private cryptocurrencies in India with exceptions to promote underlying tech. No Brokers becomes India's first prop tech unicorn after $210 million funding round. Now the news in detail are: Tesla will spend over $1 billion on its new vehicle factory in Austin, Texas, and plans to complete construction by the end of this year. It plans to spend at least $1.06 billion on Gigafactory that will produce the company's forthcoming electric pickup truck, Cybertruck, as well as Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. The government is set to introduce a bill to ban all private cryptocurrencies in India while providing certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency. The bill seeks to create a facilitative framework for the creation of official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Real estate platform NoBroker.com has raised $210 million funding round led by General Atlantic, Tiger Global Management, and Murray Strategic Ventures. The capital raising was at a post-money valuation of $1.01 billion, making NoBroker India's first PropTech unicorn. SoftBank Vision Fund is close to leading a $100 to $120 million funding round at JustPay, valuing the payments technology startup at $400 to $500 million. SoftBank's decision to take a brand new bet in the new age payments market coincides with the disappointing public market debut of Paytm. MobiKwik, the company which was earlier planning to go public in November, may wait longer. MobiKwik's decision to stall its public offering comes on the back of Paytm's disappointing debut on the stock market in its first 2 days of trading. Hyderabad-based Zenwork, a software-as-a-service platform for digital tax compliance, has raised Rs 1,200 crore in a funding from US-based growth equity firm Spectrum Equity. The company will invest heavily in growing the capabilities of its Tax 1099 and compliance platforms. Consumer technology brand Nothing revealed its celebrity investors from India for its latest funding round of $50 million, which includes film producer-director Karan Johar, cricketer Yuvraj Singh, and fashion designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee. True credits the NBFC and an affiliate of an RBI-authorized lending company, True Balance, announced a debt fundraise of $30 million. With this, the total debt fund raised stood at $55 million in the financial year 2021. Haber, an AI-driven industrial robot, raised $20 million in a Series B funding, taking its total funds raised to $27 million. The funds will be used to expand its reach across new geographies and industries. Niantic Inc., the augmented reality platform behind Pokemon Go, raised $300 million from hedge fund Coutu at a valuation of $9 billion. It plans to use the funds to expand its recently launched Lightship platform to help developers with their AR creations and build their visions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.